Hello. Good evening. This is the mighty grumpy janitor straight from out of the broom closet, and this is my first semi-rant. Not really a rant, I'm just kind of confused about the whole... Well, I'll tell you what it's about. It's about Twilight. The Twilight series of books by Stephenie Meyer and the film that just come out. I just don't get it, you know what I'm saying? Vampire love, you know, it just seems so... Well, doesn't make a lot of sense, you know. See, I thought vampires, you know, felt nothing, you know. I thought vampires' basic, you know, purpose in life was to, you know, bite other people and turn other people into vampires and, you know, maybe I'm just a dumbass. I just don't know. But, it just seems like a lot of hoopla and it's just much ado about nothing, you know. I mean, I know there are a lot of people that love the Twilight series, and I know a lot of people, you know, they kind of worship the ground that Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart, the two stars of the movie, people worship the ground that they walk on, but still, it's just that, you know, it's like a given, you know. Robert Pattinson's cute, no homo. Kristen Stewart, of course, is gonna fall for him. He's a vampire and he's cute. He has all these special powers, and but I think it's mostly not so much real human emotion, but you know, the pheromones. I've heard somewhere in another video that vampires usually give off when they're near somebody. So I haven't read the books, I haven't really seen the movie. I'm just not, you know, it just doesn't really pique my interest. But anyway, that's all I really had to say. I promise I'll come up with a better rant, and I promise I'll have more editing in these videos. And I promise I won't, you know, try to delay between my sentences anymore. I'm just still trying to get used to this shit. So please be patient with me. If you don't like the video, rate it whatever you want. If you do like the video, rate it whatever you want. So I'm just started off, and right now I really don't give a damn. So you guys have a good night. Be safe, and bon appetit, bitches.